Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher mathematics class of class 9. Our today's topic is Exercise 9.1, question 1 of activities, question 1 of 6 and question 1, 2 of 7. These three questions I will solve in our today's class. Our today's lecture number is 3 and homework number is 2. 3 questions is given for your homework. Questions are question 2 and 3 of 6 and question 3 of 7. Okay dear students, when I will complete our today's class, you will be able to do your homework properly. Okay dear students, so let us see what are the questions which I will solve in our today's class. Okay dear students, here I have written first question of 6, that is 6 question 1. If x equal to a to the power q plus r into b to the power p, y equal to a to the power r plus p into b to the power q, and z equal to a to the power p plus q into b to the power r, then show that, we need to show that x to the power q minus r into y to the power r minus p into z to the power p minus q is equal to 1. We need to show this. As we need to show this, so we can write at first the given information and then we can complete the solution from the left hand side. So we are writing here 6.1 solution. In short, we can write here in this way 6.1 solution. Here we can write the given information. So we can write here given x equal to a to the power q plus r, a to the power q plus r into b to the power p, y equal to a to the power r plus p into b to the power q, and z equal to a to the power p plus q into b to the power r. Okay dear students, so I have written the given informations here. Now as we need to show, so we can write the left hand side here. What is the left hand side? So look at here, left hand side is x to the power q minus r into y to the power r minus p into z to the power p minus q. So we can write here x to the power q minus r into y to the power r minus p, y to the power r minus p into z to the power, we can write here z to the power p minus q, that is equal to 1. We need to show, as this is our left hand side, so we can write now here we can put the value of x, y and z, put the value of x, y and z. So we can write the value of x is a to the power q plus r into b to the power p, a to the power q plus r into b to the power p whole to the power, here is q minus r. Now into, here is written y to the power r minus p, so value of y is a to the power r plus p, a to the power r plus p into b to the power q, so we can write here b to the power q whole to the power, here is r minus p, we can write here r minus p. Now put the value of z, here value of z is a to the power p plus q, a to the power p plus q into b to the power r whole to the power, here is written p minus q, so we can write here p minus q. Okay dear students, now we have put the value of x, y and z. Now we have to calculate. Dear students, you know that if a b whole to the power m, there is a law or formula, then we can write a to the power m into b to the power m. So according to this formula, we can write a to the power q plus r into b to the power p whole to the power q minus r. It means that a to the power q plus r into a to the power q minus r. It means that a to the power q plus r whole to the power q minus r. Now b to the power p whole to the power q minus r. Now go to the next portion. Next portion is a to the power r plus p into b to the power q. Here is written r minus p. So we can write here a to the power r plus p whole to the power r minus p, b to the power q whole to the power r minus p into, now last portion here, here the last portion is a to the power p plus q whole to the power p minus q, and into b to the power r whole to the power p minus q. So now we can use the formula here. A to the power m whole to the power n means a to the power mn. It means product of power and whole power we can take. If we take the product of power and whole power, then we will get, in case of a, we will get here q plus r into q minus r. It means that a plus b into a minus b. It means a square minus b square. So according to this formula, we can write here a to the power q square minus r square into b to the power. We need to multiply this by p. We need to multiply q minus r by p. So we can write here b to the power pq minus pr, and then next term is a to the power a plus r whole to the power r minus p, a to the power r plus p whole to the power r minus p. It means a to the power r square minus p square into b to the power qr minus pq, and then last term here we can write here a to the power p plus q into p minus q means p square minus q square, and b to the power pr minus qr. So dear students, now we can write here, as all the terms here given as product a and a. So we can write only one a, and we can add the indices as here is product. So we can write here q square minus r square plus here is r square minus p square plus here is p square minus q square. Now here is b to the power pq, b and b. So we can add the indices here. So we can write here pq minus pr plus here is qr minus pq, then here is plus pr minus qr, pr minus qr. Now if you notice here, this q square is positive, this one is negative, r square positive, negative, p square positive, negative. So this vanish each other. It means that a to the power 0 if we do the calculation, and we will get here b to the power pq positive, pq negative, pr negative, pr positive, qr positive, qr negative. So this will also vanish each other. It means that b to the power 0. Dear students, you know a formula, that is a to the power 0 equal to 1. It means that if the index of base is 0, then the value will be 1. So we can write here a to the power 0 equal to 1 means we can write b to the power 0 equal to 1. So product of 1 and 1 is 1. It means that this is our right hand side. See the right hand side. Right hand side is 1. So we have to write here as right hand side 1. Here is 1. So we can say here this means right hand side. This means right hand side. So we can write here therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve this question. Okay dear students, now I am going to next question 7.1. Next question 7.1. What is the next question? Now see. 7.1. If x into cubic root a plus y into cubic root b plus z into cubic root c is equal to 0 and a square equal to bc, then show that ax cube plus by cube plus cz cube is equal to 3ax yz. We need to show this. As we need to show this, so at first we can write the given information here. So we can write here 7.1 solution. So we can write the given information here. Given x cubic root a plus y into cubic root b plus z into cubic root c is equal to 0. Dear students, we can shift this z in the right side. We can shift the z in the right side and we can solve this. X cubic root A plus y cubic root B is equal to minus Z cubic root C. Just I have shifted Z into cubic root C in the right side. Now we can take cube, as we need to show x a x cube. So we need to take cube on both sides. So taking cube on both sides, we will get here x cubic root x into cubic root A plus y into cubic root B. This means cubic root whole cube is equal to minus Z into cubic root C whole cube. Taking cube on both sides, if you want you can write the side note here, taking cube on both sides. Now if we do the cube here, what we will get in the left side? Dear students, in case of cube, you know our formula, that is A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. If you apply this formula here, you will get the answer easily. So remember this formula, we have to apply this formula in the left hand side. So apply this one here. A means x cubic root A. So we can write here x cubic root A whole cube, A cube, plus B cube means y into cubic root B whole cube, plus 3. A means x into cubic root A into y into cubic root B. It means 3AB into A plus B. A means x cubic root A plus B means y cubic root B. That is equal to, now I have to do cube in the right side. If we do the cube of minus will be minus, here cube of Z will be Z, and into cubic root and cube will vanish each other, so we will get only C here. So Z cube C, Z cube minus Z cube C in the right side we will get here. Now if you notice here, here is also cube given, so we can write this is x cube and this cube and whole cube will vanish each other, so this will be A, and here is y, this will be B, y cube B plus 3, here is x y, and here is cubic root A into, here is cubic root B, so we can write here cubic root B. Just give only one cubic root, and as this is product you can write A into B inside the cubic root. Now here for this x cubic root A and y cubic plus y cubic root B, we can use here x cubic root A plus y cubic root B is equal to minus Z cubic root C. So we can write here minus Z cubic root C. So we will get here minus Z cube C, right side will remain same. Now we can calculate here again, that will be ax cube, we can write here ax cube plus by cube plus, here not plus here, product of plus and minus must be minus, here 3xy and here is z, so we can write here 3xyz. Now this is cubic root A into B into C, A into B into C, it means ABC, that is equal to minus Z cube C, Z cube C. Now dear students, if you notice the question here, here is a condition given, that is A square equal to BC, A square equal to BC. Now we can put the value of BC is A square, put the value of BC is A square, so we can write AX cube plus by cube minus 3xyz cubic root A into A square, that is equal to minus Z cube C. We can use the side note as A square equal to BC. This is given, so we can write here, or AX cube plus by cube minus 3xyz. So we can write here cubic root A into A square means A cube, that is equal to minus Z cube C. Now we can write here if you calculate cubic root and cube will vanish each other. Only a you will get in this term. So you will get here ax cube plus by cube minus 3. Here is a. At first I can write a x y z. That is equal to minus z cube c. Okay, dear students. So now look at the question again. What we need to show? We need to show that ax cube plus by cube plus cz cube is equal to 3axyz. It means that we have to shift 3axyz in the right side and we have to shift minus z cube c in the left side. So we will get here therefore ax cube plus by cube plus, we can take this one in the right side, this will be positive, z cube cz cube, c z cube is equal to, this will be also positive in the right side, this will be 3axyz. So as we need to show this, we can see the question, and this is the solution. Dear students, now so 7a is done. Now I have to solve 7b. Dear students, so I hope you have understood this one. I am going to the next question. 7.2. 7.2. What is question 7.2? Question 7.2 is here, if x equal to a plus b whole to the power 1 by 3 plus a minus b whole to the power 1 by 3 and a square minus b square equal to c cube, then show that x cube minus 3cx minus 2a equal to 0. As we need to show this, so we can write here 7.2 solution. We can write the given information here. Given x equal to a plus b whole to the power 1 by 3 plus a minus b whole to the power 1 by 3. Dear students, as in the proof we have to show x cube, so we have to do the cube on both sides. So take cube on both sides. This will be x cube is equal to a plus b whole to the power 1 by 3 plus a minus b whole to the power 1 by 3. And here we have to take cube. Taking cube on both sides, give the side note. Taking cube on both sides. So now we can write here x cube, that is equal to, we can write here again, we can apply the formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We can apply this formula again. So if we apply the formula in this question also, we will get here a plus b whole to the power 1 by 3 whole to the whole cube plus here a minus b to the power 1 by cube whole cube. It means that a cube plus b cube plus 3. A means a plus b whole to the power 1 by 3. B means a minus b whole to the power 1 by 3 into a plus b means a plus b whole to the power 1 by 3 plus a minus b whole to the power 1 by 3. That is equal to nothing here. This is in the right side. So we can write here now, as I have applied the formula now, we can calculate here. Dear students, so now see x cube is equal to here this 1 by 3 and 3. If we take the product as power and whole power, we have to take the product, we will get here 1. So a plus b whole to the power 1 means nothing here. So we can write only a plus b for the first term, and for the second term similarly we can write only a minus b, then plus 3. Here we can write a plus b into a minus b here whole to the power 1 by 3. As both the powers are same, it means that a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a b whole to the power m. We can write using this formula. We can write according to this formula. Now we can write here. This means a plus b whole to the power 1 by 3 plus a minus b whole to the power 1 by 3 means we can write this as x. This is given, so this must be x. So dear students, we can write here now x cube is equal to, here this plus b and minus b vanish each other, it means here a and a will be 2a plus 3 into a plus b into a minus b, means a square minus b square whole to the power 1 by 3 into x. So dear students, now if you see the question again, here is given a square minus b square is equal to c cube. So we can put the value of a square minus b square, that is c cube. So we can write here x cube is equal to 2a plus 3 into c cube whole to the power 1 by 3 into x. We can give the side note as a square minus b square is equal to c cube. Okay dear students, so we can see here again x cube equal to 2a plus now 3 into c cube whole to the power 1 by 3. It means that this 3 and this 3 will vanish each other. It means only 3c, and here is x. It means 3cx will get in this term. Okay dear students, now you can look at the question. What is the question here? We need to see x cube minus 3cx minus 2a equal to 0. So if we shift these two terms in the left side, we will get our required answer or required solution, 3cx minus 2a equal to 0. As we need to show this, we can write here showed. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of 3 questions, and 3 questions are given for your homework. This is question 6, 2, 3 and 7, 3. Solve this question yourself as your homework. Do your homework properly. Submit your homework timely. Submit on next Saturday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.